Thank you for your interest in the Culinary and Baking and Pastry Arts programs at Montgomery County Community College. Our hands-on culinary and baking and pastry courses are held at the Culinary Arts Institute in Lansdale. Here are the programs we offer. We offer certificate and degree programming in baking and pastry arts, culinary arts, and tourism and hospitality management. Our hands-on learning environment will allow you to quickly, in less than a year, turn your passion into a profession. Our laboratories have state-of-the-art equipment, high-tech technology, smaller student-instructor ratios and laboratories. Our experienced instructors have years of industry hands-on experience. We also have an immersive cohort learning model in which students have the opportunity to participate in various community and industry-related events. Some of the highlights of our baking and pastry arts programming include an advanced baking and pastry course, a chocolate course, understanding the science of breads and rolls, and a tiered cakes and sugar artistry course. Our culinary art students engage in American regional cooking cuisine, European cuisines, restaurant operations, in which students have the opportunity to manage and execute service from a food, beverage, and leadership perspective of a hands-on laboratory restaurant located on site. Culinary arts students also have the pleasure of learning the science of garmage. Students that are interested in continuing on for their associate's degree will take a series of culinary-based business courses such as culinary entrepreneurship, purchasing and cost control, menu planning, and food and beverage operations, along with additional general education courses. Here are some of our Culinary Arts Institute students at work. Recent events that the Culinary Arts Institute has been involved in involves making cupcakes and larger presentation cakes for George Washington's birthday at Valley Forge National Park. Why should students consider the Culinary Arts Institute? Modern commercial kitchens and equipment, smaller class sizes, flexible class times, and most important, our professionally trained chef instructors that are so connected to the restaurant industry. Here's some methods on how to stay in touch with us, and we look forward to allowing you to tour our building and staying in communication with you so we can assist with getting your culinary and baking and pastry arts career started, and once again, turning your passion into a profession.